trip report says this is the most challenging trip you can do in Saskatchewan.
But she also says
She
rewarding.
doesn't say this is...
She says it's the most rewarding trip you'll do.
Did she say... Did she
Yeah,
use the
yeah,
word? I don't
satisfied.
think that word... No, satisfying is not in here. I invited my dad on this trip because I thought it would be a great way to celebrate his 70th birthday. But I realize now the reason I asked him to come on this trip is because I'm afraid that he's getting older. So maybe it's a bit selfish.
We might have been a bit naive about this one.